Arham, did you wash your hands before eating?
No, Dad, I forgot.
And Ayan, did you recite the dua before eating?
No, mother, I forgot to recite the dua.
That's really bad, Arham. Do you know we always have to wash our hands before eating? There is a hadith about it. Rasulullah ﷺ said, blessing in food lies in which we wash our hands after and before eating. This teaches us to always wash our hands. And as you know, there are many hygienic benefits also of washing hands. For example, when you wash your hands before eating food, all the germs get out of your hands and you can eat food properly. And Ayan, we should always recite the dua before eating. The dua is Bismillahi wa ala barakatillah. This also gives blessing in food.
Yes, Dad, I'm sorry.
Come on, we're getting late to school. Aram, did you complete the project?
No, Ayan, I forgot to complete the project.
Aram, why did you not complete the project? I thought you complete the project now. We both are going to get low grades, not because of you. That's why I'll never do a project with you ever again. What do you do now?
Assalamualaikum, Arham, Ayan. Why are you guys fighting?
Aram is the one who didn't complete that project, and now we both are going to get low grades, and this guy is responsible.
But I forgot to do the project.
Let me tell you a hadith about anger. When the Rasulullah was asked by a man 3 times about anger, he said that you should never be angry or furious. Also, being angry can even break your fast.
Sorry, Aram.
Students, Rasulullah said that the night of degree is better than the 1,000 nights.
I forgot to do my homework. I was just making an excuse to a teacher.
Me too, I forgot to do it.
Arham and Tony, can you submit your homework?
Sir, I went to a family gathering, so I forgot to do it.
Sir, I was sick yesterday, so I didn't do it.
Students, Ramadan teaches us not to lie and tells us to do good deeds. So do good deeds and don't lie. Let me tell you a hadith story. Rasulullah said, saying the truth leads to righteousness and righteousness leads to paradise.
Sorry, sir.
It's okay, submit your homework tomorrow.
Why don't you come to our house to start today?
Sure, why not? Inshallah, I'll come. No one's looking. If I drink some water, no one will know.
Hey, what are you doing?
I can't wait anymore. I'm too thirsty.
Ramadan teaches us patience and control on ourselves. No one is looking, but Allah is still looking.
Sorry, sir.
Mother, today Tawheed is going to join us for iftar.
Can we cook some delicious dishes for start today?
Sir, Arham and Ayan, I will cook some delicious food.
Arham and Ayan.
Their friend Tawheed is joining us for today's iftar.
Oh wow, mashallah, that's really good. Let me tell you a hadith about guests. Rasulullah ﷺ said, the one who believes in Allah and the last day should treat his guests generously. Also, we are inviting him on iftar, and it gives us more blessing in our house. As Allah says, guests are blessing. And if we give someone iftar, the person who gives the iftar would get the same reward as the one who is fasting, without that person's reward getting decreased.
Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum assalam, Tawheed. We've been waiting for you.
Mashallah, mashallah. Approximately 10 minutes left for iftar.
Oh, Dad, I can't wait to eat this delicious food.
I'm so hungry.
Me too.
What is this, children? Ramadan teaches us to be patient. You waited the whole day and fasted. Why are you so impatient in the last 10 minutes? Ramadan is to teach us patience, and Allah also ordered us to be patient. Break your fast with a date. It's sunnah. So children, read the dua before eating. The dua before opening your fast is ذهب الظمأ وابتلت العروق وثبت الأجر إن شاء الله.
Oh, what a very good iftar. Now I'm gonna go and take a nap.
No, wait, Ayan. You have to go with us to the mosque to pray Maghrib, and then you have to prepare for Taraweeh, and then you can rest.
Yes, Father.